Welcome back, folks. Another day, another batch of wild dashcam moments. Buckle up and stay safe out there.
Oh, he's got a flat tire.
His head inside, it got stuck. He could not pull it out again. And so all around the outside of this hole where his head was stuck, there were these deep
Oh, take your time, just whenever you can get to it. We just assume how fast can you get here will always be the answer. So Castile will be there same day, and we won't. You know why? Because no one in recorded history has ever said, oh, take your time, just whenever you can get to it. We just assume how fast can you get here will always be the answer. So Castile will be there same day, and we won't leave until you're 100.
Alcohol till my friends come home for Christmas now. Dream each night of some birthday. Not half, but I did not lose. Now your tired tracks and pair of shoes.
Video protected.
Split in half, now have to do.
Slide in. They tell you it's Union, but it's Confederate.
This podcast is brought to you by Squarespace. Squarespace gives you everything you need to offer services and get paid. Just say I need it. Drive it towards the right. Some of the incendiary horse picks that I've seen, including Steve Bannon on a Clydesdale. One of the worst I saw was Ivanka Trump inside of a mare. And I know that this is not the direction that I saw horsepicks.com and that little boy, I didn't know that he'd become a full-fledged Nazi and grow his hair into broccoli shapes and do all sorts of things I don't understand, which is why I've started emupaintings.com. Thank you, Squarespace, because emupaintings.com it's an exceptional way for me to get you